This is the third example of skill number 2, graphing a function. In our first example, we graphed a parabola, the second an inequality, and in this third example, we're just graphing a straight line. And you know it's a straight line because you have an x to the first power and a y to the first power. So first thing we want to do is get it into slope-intercept form. That means to solve it for y, because that's the easiest way to graph. I'm going to take the 3x to the opposite side by subtracting 3x. I've got a positive 4y. I don't need to bring the positive sign down. X first, and then your constant right there. Solving for y, I'm going to divide every term by 4. And I will have y equals negative 3/4 x plus 2. When we look at this line, we know it's going to be going downhill from left to right because what you have is a negative slope, so you always want to double check that. We're going to start here at positive 2. That's your y-intercept. So on the y-axis, it's going to intercept or cross it at 2. From that point, we're going to rise and run, work our slope. That negative can either be in the top or the bottom, but not both. So if we want it as negative 3 and positive 4, we'll go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 4. Down 1, 2, 3, over 1, 2, 3, 4. If you wanted to look at it as positive 3 over negative 4, that's okay too. Starting back at the 2, if you go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and back 4, you can see it's also on that line. So 1, 2, 3, backwards 4. And there it is. Going to connect those points with a nice solid line. Be sure that you put your arrows on both ends because they go forever in both directions. Looking from left to right, it's going downhill as it should because our slope is negative.